Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky, and I'm back to do double on envelopings. But what did I get in these envelopes? Obviously from here you can tell they're from CSR. So enough chit chat, let's open it and see what's inside. Like, right now, let's go! Alright folks, so what did I get on one of the from CSR collectibles? Well, I got this at an offer at their site, of course, and obviously you already know it's a Tom Morga Halloween 4 Michael Myers autograph. This is where he played the bandage Michael Myers in the gas station. And you already saw my pre-order item that I ordered already, so I have it complete. So yeah, that's him in the gauze bandages and the pull spear, which we don't see the kill, we just see the character reaction. And anybody has seen Halloween 4, let me know in the comments, and those who haven't, please turn off this video before I spoil any more. And or if you already heard it anyway, but those who haven't, man, get your hands on the 4K. It's already out, so get your hands on it. Heck, screw the Blu-ray from the, what do you call it? The Anchor Bay ones. The quality wasn't even that good. 4K and Blu-ray, 4K scan and 4K UHD from the folks over at Screen Factory. Get it while you can. So yeah, this is Tom Morga in the gas station scene. So yeah, now I get it. Let me give you a better perspective. Let me just zoom out. So yeah, this is Tom Morga, Michael Myers, age 4. He kind of looked a little muscular, believe it or not, when he grabbed that spear. But what the heck. So, I finally have it complete. The next one is going to have about 4 signatures from the gentleman who did the performing of the clowns, the killer clowns, from the 1988 hit film, Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Now, who doesn't know about the movie Killer Clowns from Outer Space? It's a good film. There's nothing to lie about. And it was directed by Steven Chiodo and his 2 brothers. Well, the brothers did the effects for the film as well. So, yeah. Here you have 4 signatures from these gentlemen. Gino Ponza, he played Shorty. Here he is. And the next one was Paul Haley, who of course played Bubbles the clown in blue. There he is. And then there is Genie Houdini. Don't think of it as his grandson Houdini. He played Chubby the clown. There he is right there. Chubby the clown. And then there's Michael Harrington Burris, played Spiky, in the film. So yeah, folks, if anybody who's a fan of Killer Clowns and has the copy of their Blu-rays, either it's regular Blu-ray or in this case the Arrow Video Blu-ray, check it out. I don't know if there's interviews. I haven't had a chance to check it out. If I do a review one of these days, let me see if I can do it. So yeah, these are signed by the 4 gentlemen that played the Killer Clowns in the film. So yep, Killer Clowns from Outer Space. So yeah, and also very important, JSA, folks. Very important with their Becker authentications and their JSA, folks. So yeah, anybody who likes Killer Clowns, let me know in the comments as well. And also, if you like content like this or any other content, click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the vids, share the vids. And also, give this video a thumbs up. If you have any opinions, comments down below. Just admire this for one last time of the viewing of that. And also, let's put next to, well, nah. If anybody likes clowns, let me know. And also, let's not forget today's birthday of the gentleman from CSR Collectibles, Doug something. Oh yeah, one of the one of the members of CSR Collectibles. Yeah, Doug is the co-founder of CSR Collectibles. So happy birthday to you, Doug. So yeah, and anything else more? Well, that's all for now. So anyways, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you, hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Wednesday, all, and later.